Hello. Welcome to Countdown to the FAFSA. 30 days, 30 ways to maximize financial aid eligibility. I'm Latanja Muhammad, founder of College Cost Cutter. Today is day 3, November 3rd. If you're just joining us for this series, links to the previous videos can be found in the description below. Today we will talk about the SAI. What is it? How is it used? So the Student Aid Index is actually the output of the FAFSA. Once it's completed, the families will receive a student aid report that tells them what their SAI is. So what is it? It's actually formally known as the Expected Family Contribution, or EFC. The SAI is an index based on a formula that schools use to help determine the amount of financial support that the student may need. The SAI ranges from a minus 1,500 to 999,999. The lower the number, the higher the demonstrated financial need. So if a student has an SAI of minus 1,500, they will qualify for the maximum Pell Grant, which is currently $7,395 per year. The SAI is not the amount that you will pay or the amount you will receive or a financial aid offer. The name was changed because EFC, or Expected Family Contribution, was confusing. Parents thought that when they received that expected family contribution, that would be the amount of money they would need to pay. It's easy to understand why that name was confusing. So it was changed to the Student Aid Index. And it's calculated based on parent and student income and asset information, as well as other factors such as parents' age and household size. So how do the colleges use the SAI? Well, the parents will receive a student aid and a student aid report, and the colleges will also get sent the SAI. So whatever colleges a student lists on the FAFSA, whether they've applied yet or not, those colleges will also receive that student's SAI. Then the college will apply a very simple formula. Their cost of attendance minus the SAI will equal the need that they will then look at to determine how much of it they will meet. All colleges do not meet financial need the same way, but let's look at a couple of examples. Let's say a family has an SAI of $12,500. College A has a cost of attendance of $65,500. If we apply the formula above, that will result in a calculated need of $53,000. College B has a cost of attendance of $43,200. That calculated need would be $30,700. And so what we want to do and what we assist families in doing, especially when they plan ahead of time, ideally years ahead of completing their first FAFSA, we work with families to reduce their SAI. Because as you recall from this previous slide, the lower the SAI, the higher the demonstrated financial need. So you might look at College A and College B and say, well, College B has a lower price tag and the need is lower. So we should pick College B because it'll cost less to go there. That's not necessarily true. And in the College Funding Playbook, 7 Proven Methods for Funding Your Child's Education, we show a couple of case studies that demonstrate that sometimes a college with a lower price tag will cost more out of pocket than a college with a higher price tag. That's outside of the scope of this 30 days, 30 ways countdown to the FAFSA, but you can also reach out to us at College Cost Cutter to learn how we help students and families through our student positioning program to match the student based on their family's financial picture as well as the student's academic profile to match them with the colleges that will offer the most need-based aid as well as the most merit-based aid. So that's what the SAI is. That's how it's used. And we'll provide more tips on the SAI and some of those SAI reduction strategies in future sessions. So please remember to like, share, invite others to join in and listen to this valuable information. And we'll see you on day 4.